Hi guys, so we are here at Moto Talk today. They are fixing our crash cart. So here we have with us Naveed. Hi Naveed.
Hi.
And we have Adnan with us. Hi Adnan. So that's our crash cart installed. We thought of getting the bash plate as well. Hi guys, today we are here at Motor Park and we have the owner Zahid with us. Hi Zahid. We got the crash cart installed. Thank you so much for installing the crash cart for us. And we got this also installed. So yeah. And we have Zahid with us. So would you like to explain a little bit of the design and all?
Well, first of all, hey, hello everyone. And it's a very compact crash guard designed by our R&D team. So we wanted to give this bike a crash guard that serves the purpose without spoiling the look of the motorcycle. Because if you see, Suzuki has given a very beautiful shape of this entire fiber part along with this fiber part. So this goes with this part. We didn't wanted this to cover this entire part. We wanted the costume look of the motorcycle to be in a very great way to be showcased as it is, and having a crash guard that is that serves the proper purpose. Also, the crash guard should be compact. So if a rider is riding off-road or a regular city ride, so you should not have any, you should not feel it's very bulky, man, I'm not able to go in the lean or something like that. So we wanted to always have a very compact design for this motorcycle. That is what the concept was. So this is how we have designed it, and we have tested this on the track, the Tribal Sanjay, Tribal Adventure Cafe, and tested by Aina C 5 times national champion Asad Khan. So we have tested this. We had good 2-3 falls as well, and we noticed that our entire complete few scratches here and there, few minor mud and here and there. But apart from that, entire frame, the entire side frames, everything was completely safe. Along with that, we also noticed the stock thumb guard that used to come. Alright, so if I talk about the bash plate, what we have designed for this entire this motorcycle. So this was the stock. So this is hardly around 120 mm, and we have made this engine guard, the bash plate, which covers almost from the level where the mud goes from here, and it completely covers. It's a complete aerodynamic design. Also, this does not touch when you're crossing the the speed breakers. And we have given very beautiful, very strong clamping here. We have given we have given 4 mountings for this. We have given 1 mounting here, 1 here, and we have given 2 on the front. And we have also made sure that you don't have to remove this during draining your engine oil. So we have given a slot here so that you can drain the engine oil from here, and you can top up from the up. You don't have to remove this. Yeah, it's a very technically designed product and a very strong and sturdy. It's a very strong and sturdy engine bash plate, or you can call as engine guard or some guard. So yeah, that's all about it. It's all stainless steel, powder coated, given a very beautiful finish. It looks really massive. It looks really strong and sturdy.
Thank you, Zahid, for explaining each and everything for us clearly. And yes, it is an awesome design that we have gotten today. And guys, do visit the Motor Talk factory for some awesome stuff. They have all kinds of accessories for different bikes. Also, you have
Online.
to other stores also.
Yes, all over.
Yeah, all over India they have distribution of all the accessories around how it goes.